Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming device readiness. Android 7. 0 or newer, enough free storage and battery charged. Next, enable install unknown apps for your browser or file manager. Also allow USB debugging only if you will sideload via PC. Create a fresh Google account, set to Japan, and configure your VPN to a Japanese endpoint. These actions save time later because once your device and accounts are prepared, the install and region access steps proceed smoothly without backtracking. With VPN active and your Japan Google account signed in, try installing PJSK from the Play Store. This is the cleanest method. If Play Store access still fails, obtain the matching APK and OBB for the current version from a reputable source, then transfer both to the device. Install the APK using your file manager and extract or move the OBB to Android/ob/ with the correct package folder name. Once done, clear cache for Play services if login issues appear, then launch the app. Finish by launching the game while the VPN is still connected to a Japanese server. That ensures region-dependent checks pass. Create an in-game account or link a secure transfer ID if available. If the app crashes or loops at startup, force stop, clear app cache and data, and retry. Re-sign into your Japan Google account if necessary. A key troubleshooting tip: if updates break the install, restore the saved APK/OBB pair, matching the required version, before updating through any automatic channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.